On my rodent theme, today I'm going to show you how to put this mouse repeller for your car in, which emits an LED and a sound intermittently. It's 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. And you just have to keep in mind that this does use battery voltage. It's a small amount. If you do a lot of short distance driving, you're probably going to want to have a charger in the garage when your car is at rest, because this is going to be drawing, but it is going to help keep rodents away. Let me show you how easy it is. You really just need a power and ground. Now on a B58, we do have a nice easy place to go to because we have an auxiliary battery right here under this cover. Just twist to unlock, lift up this cover, and we do have access to the battery right here. We also have the jump terminal, so you could just get a larger ring and pop this cover off here. This does have a Torx on top. Unscrew that. Make sure you disconnect the battery. Put a larger ring on the bottom and torque that back down. There's your power. And then your ground is right here. So you'll need a longer lead. It's right by the air box. And also this does unscrew. It has a Torx right here on top. Take that off. Same thing. Just put a larger eyelet on it. And you would have to extend these wires, which would just be cutting and then a crimp. But what's nice here, and I'm going to try to do something a little bit different, we have these closed loops. I'm just going to cut a little notch in them, open them up so I can slide them underneath without having to unscrew the whole holder, because this is what compresses the battery connection right here. I'm just going to slide it and tag it in the power on the ground right here. So it is nice on the B58 because we have that battery right there. Let's see how easy this cuts. I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to make myself a different style. There we go. Now I have an open connection that I can just slide in. Do the same thing on the ground. Now I have these nice electrical U connections, which will make it very easy to install. So I'm just going to loosen up the positive. I already have the negative loose. Take my red cable, and this is fused. And when I have the power and ground hooked up, you'll see what it does. And I should be able to go right underneath. Look at that, it's a nice fit. I'm going to snug that down. And then make sure your battery's not loose. And now when I hook up the ground, it will start. So let me show you what it does. There is an on-off switch, so you can have it off. Turn it off for now while I hook up the ground side. Make sure your connections are not loose on your positive and negative cable. They actually give you a little stud here too on the positive cable. All right, so it's easy as that to hook it up. Let's turn it on and see what it does. So it emits a clicking and an annoying tone and some flashy lights. And you do have the option to shut it off. Now it should shut off and now wait a couple of minutes, and then it's going to go through the cycle again. Now this should be a low voltage, low amperage unit. It does use LEDs, and I'm sure the speaker doesn't draw much. This is a drain though, you have to keep that in mind. If you're not driving your car regularly, and you just let this sit, you should have a battery charger on your car. But it is a great way to help keep rodents out of your car and to prevent damage to your wiring harness and nests being built. It's really nice on a B58. It's very easy to install, and it's a nice spot right here on the side to zip tie it. So power and ground, that's all you need to make this work. Very, very simple. I'll put a link up in the corner in case you're interested in purchasing one of these. All the noises a BMW makes, you might have to explain why your BMW is chirping under the hood, and that you have a rodent prevention device installed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to Ask the Car Expert YouTube channel. Please like, it really does help me out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.